Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 27th November 2025. India's auto and pharma sectors are concerned as Mexico plans to more than double tariffs on countries that it doesn't have FTAs. This move could significantly impact India's $887 million auto exports to Mexico, its third largest destination, and also affect pharmaceutical companies preparing to expand their presence. A receptive regulator is making it easier for business families to house their wealth and assets in private trusts. The Reserve Bank of India is allowing, on a case-by-case basis, transfer of ownership of investment companies which hold shares of family group companies and other portfolio investments to family trusts. With this, the shareholdings and control of these entities shift from senior family members to family trusts. The regulator, however, is insisting that the trustees should be family members instead of professionals. Tesla is building an electric vehicle ecosystem in India to enhance long-term sales. The company plans to establish charging points at homes, malls, and hotels, along with superchargers in major cities. This initiative aims to accelerate EV adoption and improve air quality. Tesla's plan focuses on imported cars and showrooms with no immediate plans for local manufacturing. Nearly 50% of Larsen & Toubro's or L&T's upcoming data center capacity is expected to be consumed by sovereign and highly regulated sectors, including government departments, finance, telecom, and insurance, signaling a sharp rise in demand for secure, compliant, and AI-ready digital infrastructure. L&T has rebranded its data center vertical as L&T Vyoma and plans a tenfold capacity expansion from 30 megawatt to 300 megawatt by 2031. After the ban on real money gaming earlier this year, sports tech company Dream Sports is again venturing into a new area, an open source initiative under a new brand, Horizon. This initiative comes a few months after Dream Sports, the parent company of fantasy sports business Dream11, launched Dream Money, a personal finance app. As part of the offering, the company will open source the tech stack of Dream11 to startups and MSMEs across sectors such as e-commerce, fintech, and health tech, and the global developer community. Eternal, the parent company of food delivery platform Zomato, has infused Rs 600 crore in its quick commerce vertical Blinkit. The cash infusion comes as the platform is looking to expand operations in the competitive quick commerce market. Blinkit has set a target to set up 3,000 dark stores by March 2027. Based on the results for the second quarter of financial year 25-26, its dark store count stood at 1,816. Notably, the recent investment is the third for Blinkit in this calendar year. In January 2025, Eternal invested Rs 500 crore in Blinkit and later bumped up the investment with an additional amount of Rs 1,500 crore a month later in February. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.